Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check printer information on your CANON TS8351a. So, as you guys can see, we need to click on the printer in the app. Now here, click printer information, and now we need to wait a bit. After that, we will see the printer information. Basically our ink levels, as you guys can see, the ink model number, order ranking now, signal strength, and the link quality. Basically now we know that this is ready to print, and that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.